Hello everyone, my name is Atimata Matilda. I welcome you once again to my YouTube channel. Today's session I'm going to teach you how to create or how to make mark sheet, especially for academic purposes, for the class teachers who want to make like report cards for their students or pupils. Remember, in my last session I introduced you to Excel and the important features used in Excel, but in today's session I'm going to teach you how to create a mark sheet. So let's get started. So this is our file for Excel, and we are going to make mark sheet for end of year for the School of YT Academy. So these are the numbers of the students in the class. We have 10 students, and these are their names. We have Martha, Gloria, Sarah, Timothy, etc. And then these are the subjects. Here we have science, we have English, we have math, we have SST. So the name of the student indicates, okay, where the subjects are, they are labeled what? With the alphabet numbers. So Martha, this is what she scored in science, English, math, and SST. Same applies to the other students. So we are going to come and see how to get the total marks of each of the students below. So this is how you calculate or get the total marks for the students. You come here in the layout, you click on formula, you click there on formulas. So after that you come and click on auto sum, then you come and click on sum. You see? So after that, automatically you see the sum is being calculated, and we are given the formulas. So after that you enter. So when you're done pressing enter, you see the total marks for Martha is 58. So you come, you click up, then this plus you're seeing, you make it, you come at the, should I say, downer part of the mark, and then make sure the plus sign changes to that. Then you slightly drag it down to the last student, and that's Joel. Make sure it ends there, then you release it. Then automatically we are given the total marks for the students. So let's go and look at the gradings, on how to get the gradings. So come, click there. We are going to do the gradings. So for the gradings, we're going to come and click there and say equals, if this is, I'm giving you formula for the gradings, if open bracket G3, and this is our G3, this one. We are going to get the gradings. How to get the gradings? The gradings is got from the total. So remember, this is like our alphabet G. It's under the bottom top of the total. Then the first person here is Martha, and it's in line 3. That's why we are saying equals if open brackets G3 is greater or equals to 180. So our highest mark is 180. That's why we are giving it like greater or equals to 180. Then you come and say comma, you put that, then you put, like, let's give it A, and then you put the, then you have it closed with the quotes, sorry for that, you have it closed with the quotes. So after that, you come and say comma. So these are formulas to get the gradings. So as I told you, if you're going to get the gradings, you start by equals if G3 is greater to 180, because our highest grading is 180. Then we are going to give it a A. A, that's mean that the person has performed like very well, average performance. Then you come to the next one, which is if you open brackets, G3 is greater or equals to 100, we give it B. The same thing applies to the next. G3 is greater or equals to 90. And then here, where you're seeing if G3 is less than 70. So let's assume that the lowest person, the last person in our class is having the marks below 70. That person will be graded with E. That's an F. Yeah. So after you're done with that, remember now this is our last. If G3 is less than 70. So if someone has scored marks less than 70, that person will what? Get an F. So after you're done inserting in the formulas, you come and count your ifs. So let's count. Ours is 1, 2, 3, we have 4, we have 5, we have 6. So we are going to insert 6 brackets to close these formulas. So let's do it. So come to and close our bracket. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So after you're done, you click enter. So yes, after clicking in, we see our results, our grading being brought up automatically. So we see Martha has F, then Gloria has B, 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 then next is C, B, D, etc. So our next is going to go to gradings. So our next is gonna be remarks. So on how to get like gradings of remarks. How to get remarks is not so different from how we get the gradings. It's actually the same things. You start with equals if, open brackets, G3, this is G3, which is Martha, is greater to 180, which is our highest mark. Then in the place of, instead of us putting what? The A, we shall put the excellent, because we are giving remarks. So let's get started. So I'm going to show you how so this is our formula for getting the remarks. Because if is open brackets, G3 is greater than 180, we have rewarded it excellent. The same if G3 is greater or equals to 100, we graded it very good, like that. So if you reach in the last point, which is open brackets, G3 is greater than 70, less than 70, we've given it very poor. So remember also here in our grading, we say that if you reach like the last thing you're going to do is to count like the number of ifs, which is 6. Then you close the brackets, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you close your brackets and insert. And you enter. So automatically, you see, like here, the first person in Martha has brought very poor. So you do the same thing as I told in grading. You come, click there, very poor. Then do your capital sign. You lower it there, make sure it changes, and then you drag it down slightly to the last person, which is job well there, and then you release. So here we're having our remarks: very poor, good, excellent, etc. So thank you for watching me. In my next video, I'll be taking you through PowerPoint presentation. Yeah, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.